Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way.
Middleman Mentor here, back with another credit builder video. Today, we're talking about Capital One. My personal experience with Capital One. I started off probably 3 years ago with a secured card. I applied. I didn't pre-qualify for an unsecured card, so I got a secured card to get me going. I think I started off with $200, $300. And at first I really didn't understand utilization with the card, so I just was using it here and there and made sure I was paying it off. But I slowly was seeing my score go up. I say around 6 months, it went unsecured and I got a $500 card. And I just kept doing the same thing. I was like, okay, so it's working. Then I had got a $1,000 increase and it was unsecured. And then after that, that's when I started understanding exactly really how to use my utilization, how to use my card. I only use credit on day-to-day exchanges. So if I buy anything, I only use my credit card. So my credit card is pretty beat down. It's pretty beat up really bad, but I use that on everything I spend my money on, and I just use the bank's money to pay back off my cards because I don't want my personal money all online or at Walmart, at gas stations. I like to secure my money, so I've learned over time to just use my credit cards. I use credit cards for everything, and I get rewards for spending and things of that nature. But like I was saying, back off topic a little bit, with my Capital One, I pretty much built it up, not really where I wanted at, because they don't really give you the increase like you want to. You got to be on top of them. But I got a few thousand up there now, starting off with $200 to $300. So that was a good card. But this Capital One card, it is a referral situation going on for me telling you about Capital One and getting you applied after I done gave you so many data points. Can a brother get a few dollars? Can middleman? That's the whole point of middleman, right? I give you enough information, get you going, so on the back end, this ain't even coming out your pocket. It's coming from the company. I'm just pointing the finger. So, what I'm saying? That's putting you in the right situation, though. But Capital One is a good place. So I think I gave you renter report. You got grain. You got self. You got kick. Now you got Capital One. On the next video, those are all revolving. I think one of maybe be installed, but I'm gonna show you how to get some installment situations going on to your account to give you that mixture. 10% of your report is a mixture of revolving credit and installment credit. So I'm gonna play on the next middleman video on installment credit. Quick little commercial merch review. Y'all do know I represent multiple hustles. And so we're going to leave the link below. Go to gtcreationsonline.com and click the link down there and go check out our merch. We got some heat, and I think, if you got multiple hustles, you should be on that. You know what I'm saying? But, I like to keep it easy, just pointing the finger, and y'all guys say action, do your due diligence, of course, on Capital One. I've had them for years, never really had a problem. Like, I've had a dispute. They go ahead and clear and credit your dispute, and then they go through the dispute in the back end. And so it's like, it's a lot better and it's a lot safer than using your actual money. But as we go on this channel, of course, we're going to keep going and breaking things like that down. It's Middleman Mentor, and I'm out.